Not every black man that walks into a store is a thief. When I was a child, my mother always said to me, when you go into a store, make sure you collect your receipts and make sure you keep your hands out to your pockets them where people can see it on them at all times. And to be honest, when I was younger, I was a bit confused and didn't understand why she was telling me that. But as I get older, I understand why. I understand why. Because of pussios like this. As a black man living in the United Kingdom. As a black man living in the United Kingdom. Since January until now, this has happened to me about 6 times. 6 times where I've been followed around the store. 6 times where I've gone to go and use my hard-working money and go into your fucking store to purchase shit. It doesn't feel like I'm going shopping. You make me feel like I'm a fucking criminal. So I'm shopping in Sainsbury's today, right? And you know when you get like a feeling of like something just over your shoulder. So I looked over my shoulder, right? Me notice say a pussy will follow me. Huh? Me no love man. So why man follow me? So I just ignore him, right? And just continue my shop. This fucking pussy, yeah? This fucking pussy. That's what he is, yeah? He's a fucking pussy. Started walking closer to me and looked at me and said, why are you taking a picture of him? Why are you taking a picture of him? He thinks I'm a dunks. He ain't been following me throughout the house. I pre-was warning. So this pussy on now, yeah, started grabbing up his camera. I was like, I'm filming. I was like, brother, I've been seeing that you're filming me. And I'm filming you too. Oh, I'm gonna call my manager. I said, Bridget, go for your manager. Tell the manager for forward, yes, sir. I'm gonna call the police. Call the police, Bridget. In fact, I will call him for you. I will call the police for you. Because we want to know what the bumbuckler the police are gonna fucking do. What the police are gonna do? What, them are gonna come just and arrest me? For do what? I walk around in a shop? For years and years and fucking years. I'm tired of this shit. Brothers like you, pussios like you, yeah? Me have something for you. Wallace, go suck your mother with that. Go and suck your mother with that.